Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel in just a few quick steps. I'll be doing this in a web browser so it works on any device. First, head over to vercel.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up. Otherwise, click Login. Either way, you'll want to use the Continue with GitHub button. This connects your GitHub account and makes the whole process smoother. Vercel will ask for some permissions, including access to your repository contents, deployments, and pull requests. Just grant those to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. Look in the top right corner and click the New Project button. You'll see a list of all the GitHub repositories your account has access to. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Vercel, you might need to authorize access first. You'll see an Import GitHub Repository or Authorize Vercel button. Click it. Vercel will ask if you want to grant access to all your repositories or just specific ones. Choose whichever you prefer, then confirm. Once that's done, you'll be back at the repository list. Now find the repository you want to deploy and click the Import button next to it. Vercel will analyze your project and try to detect what framework you're using. It's pretty good at picking up next.js, React, Vue, and most common frameworks automatically. You'll land on a configuration page. Check that the framework preset matches your project. Below that, you'll see fields for build command, output directory, install command, and root directory. Most of the time, the defaults are fine, but if your website lives in a subfolder instead of the root of your repository, change the root directory to match. If your project needs environment variables like API keys or service URLs, scroll down and add those now. Once everything looks right, click the Deploy button at the bottom. Vercel will start installing dependencies and building your project. You can watch the build logs scroll by in real time, handy for spotting any errors. When the build finishes, you'll see your deployment URL. It'll end with vercel.app by default. Click it to open your live site in a new tab. A couple of useful things to know. Vercel will automatically deploy every push you make to your GitHub repository from now on. When you push to your main branch, it creates a production deployment. If you push to other branches or open a pull request, Vercel creates a preview URL so you can test changes before merging. You'll see those preview links posted as comments on your pull requests. And that's how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.